Okay, here's this test print again. I know everybody's sick of seeing the same thing over and over. The reason I do it is because it's a fast print that I can do, and it doesn't use a whole lot of purge filament wasting. So, but I don't know, I'm really struggling to get the top surface perfect. This is PETG though, so maybe I'm just being overcritical of myself, because I think it looks really good. This camera really magnifies every little imperfection. I mean, it brings out things that I don't see with plain light, little hairs and fibers and such. But this is one print that I was able to utilize 5 different colors with. And it's not the greatest filament. It's old. It hasn't been dried. It is PETG. But I'm really struggling to get it tuned in. This one has one imperfection in the sides. And I can't get it to really focus nicely. Trying. Bottom layers are beautiful. I just wish I could get this top surface nice and smooth. I'm working at it though. I'm learning clipper, which is one struggle for me. And this is the only filament I have to test with also, so I could be chasing ghosts. Maybe I don't know if I'm being overcritical. I'm not trying to make this be a Bamboo Labs printer, but this has serious potential. I mean, especially since I've made it all myself. And I have no profiles or no pre-tuned settings to go from. I'm stuck figuring this all out on my own. I do have a little bit of help. But there we have it.